Check out that gnarly old tree. It's got a hole going right through the middle. Nature's so beautiful. Even plants die gracefully. Just want to show you some beautiful roadway. We're just north of Bastrop, Texas on Texas Highway 21. 21. Bastrop city limit. Isn't this beautiful? These ducks are something else.
Yeah, they're getting ready to go up there and lay in bed. Two young babies.
Yeah, they're real young, aren't they?
Right?
The white ones.
Look at that color combination. They're beautiful.
Yeah, the white ones are Indian runners, and the brown ones 300. Supposedly the 300 will lay 300 eggs
She looks full.
a year.
300 eggs in a year?
A year, yeah.
Wow. And I tell you what, these ducks are some lucky ducks. Lucky ducks. Because this duck pond down here, it is full of all kinds of little duck delectables. I'll show you some. Oh, look at all the ducks. Now see, there's one gander in the group. And he's very protective of all his little hens. And all his little hens just love him, and they love him. Can you tell where he is? He's the one right up there with the curly. See, the little curly tail feathers right there. If you want to know how many hens he's got in his harem, he's got 24. 24. Check this out. Check out the construction of that pier. It's a floating pier. You think there's alligators out there? Well, I'll let you go look for them. I really don't want to know. But I tell you what we do have. Tadpoles. Look at that. Can you see them? I'm going to have to clip in another video because the other video shows billions of them. Unless they've already been eaten by all the ducks. Oh my goodness, look at these over here. Look how big those suckers are. Holy cow. Look at that. Yeah, I get excited about the simplest little things, don't I? We are here in the Lost Pines. Pine thicket in Central Texas. Let's go explore a little bit more. Look off to the right. You see the wildflowers? You want to check them out? Oh, that's where the ducks are going. They think we're following them. Well, I guess we are. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look how beautiful. You want to know what that red building is? I'll tell you. It's a workshop. It's a cabinet maker's shop. Yeah, these guys are talented. There's a downstairs to this house. Yeah, but the downstairs is built into the ground. It's evolution. It's a wonderful process. Let's go check a few other things out. It's multiple levels, so y'all bear with me. Look at this. And at nighttime, those lights are color changing. It's really cool. What is that? Yep, ship's wheel. You can stand right here and steer right out over your miniature ocean. That's awesome. Look at the artwork in these window trims. Well, heck, in the flooring for as that goes. You think you're going to come up to a wooden deck, but you're not. It's a wonderful concrete tiled patio. Runs the full length of the house with what? How many ceiling fans is that? Ceiling fans are turning, they're turning, turning in every room, turning in. Well, you get the gist of it. We are in Texas, and we're not far from the Grange. Wonder where that goes. Let's go check it out. You think I can fit on these little stairs? I don't know. We'll see if my fat butt can squeeze up in through here. Oh my. It's narrow and it's tight. Alright. Come on. We're gonna get up there. Oh, look at the view. There's the duck pond. That's where they have their RV hookups over there. And they set me up with the RV hookup right there. Hear that chime? Listen to that. Look at the wildflowers. Isn't that stunning? Yeah. I'm in the air conditioner. Complete with wildflowers. Don't ask me how that works. But I understand that during the wildfires of 2011, they had to evacuate the properties. When they were released to come back into the property, it was 108 degrees outside, but the house was a constant 72. House? What house? And look over there, that's the caddy shack. Caddy shack is way down there in the woods, while I'm way up here in the sun. What an incredible feat of engineering. This really is the roof of this house. Check out the watermelon RV. Isn't that a hoot? That's a hoot and a holler. Jubilee. The other day I was talking to some people about the names of watermelons. And the dark and light green striped watermelon name escaped me. Couldn't remember it for nothing. I just remembered it. It's Jubilee. So any of y'all that were in that conversation where we were talking about Charleston Grays, Black Diamonds, and that other one I couldn't remember, it was Jubilee. Look at that solar. Makes my caddy shack a little jealous. A lot. We're going to walk over here to the edge. Because you still don't think I'm on a roof. Do you? Yep, this is the air conditioner. Can you hear the chimes? Listen. Can you hear all the birds? Well, not all of them, but maybe a few. They're here. When I was coming into the property a little while ago, the chain that keeps the gate level busted. It's a little rusty. This little gadget right here, it holds the end of this chain here. And that mounts up there on that little pin. What that does is it raises the tension on this chain that lifts up this end of the gate up off the ground so that the gate will close and not drag on the dirt like that. But it busted open. Well, the chain fell through about right there, you'll see. And then it opened the rest of the way and it stayed open. So now the goal is to get it back up there. Push a button. Maybe I didn't push it hard enough. There we go.